We are on our way back to Midvale, Utah, driving through Wyoming, and it is 32 degrees and it is raining. That means we are right at the freezing level. That's the road ahead. Yes, that is snow out on the side of the road. Keeping our fingers crossed that we can get through this okay. Snowing outside on the way to Rollins. This is a rest area on the way to Rollins. Ah! And we have got snow to play in.
Yeah.
But it's cold out here. My fingers are already getting numb.
Yeah, I'm getting it's crazy.
Okay.
Okay, Lex.
We got real snow out here, and it's real cold.
Yeah. And luckily Sarah's in the car, because it's too cold out here. Lex is taking over the driving now. He's more used to it because he's from Oregon.
Yeah.
But I'm not. I'm a Cali girl. So to me, this driving was bare knuckle. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, just
That whole white landscape. I've never seen anything like that before.
both sides.
This is what happens when a truck passes us. Yep. Very scary. Boy, visibility was really, really low. It still is pretty low, but just a few seconds ago, Lex could barely see the road. I mean, we couldn't see like a foot in front of us.
Yeah.
And we're still just putting along and just keep going and try to go south more and more and more. Oh my goodness.
Scary.
Okay, we're finally out of that pass, and that was crazy. Now everything is more clear. We're not sure if we're going to encounter any more snow like that, but
yeah, we
luckily
drove through a legitimate whiteout. It was...
yeah, with those trucks coming by,
scary.
it was so scary. I've never experienced anything like that before.
No.
Hopefully we'll just get to our next destination, back to Utah. So now we're on the I-80 going west, and there's snow that's blowing on the road, but it's turning into slush and water pretty fast. So Lex is doing a really good job with his driving and just getting to our destination. Well, we finally made it to Midvale, Utah.
We made it out of Wyoming.
Yeah, that was pretty hairy.
Oh yes, that is definitely one of the scariest driving experiences I've ever had.
Yeah, what I filmed was actually not the scariest part. The scariest part I couldn't film because I was really just like shaking. You would have seen the camera going like that if you saw me filming it.
We
But
were
it
all
was,
just
yeah.
focused on just getting in between the two sides of snow that were coming onto the road.
Yeah, and there was a snow plow that went through and just threw snow all over all of us. I said other cars, there was snow on the bank. There was a car that was actually had gone off the freeway and crashed
still,
into the ditch.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't on its side or anything, but still, it was out of commission.
Yeah.
And we are very fortunate that we made it through there. We're safe and sound in Midvale, Utah.
Yeah, and I never, ever, ever want to drive in a snowstorm ever again.
I don't either.
Yeah.
That was terrifying.
And that's it for now because we just drove 11 hours. Okay. See ya.